because something appeared in my P.O. box. The Tasty cookbook. Now, we've all heard of Buzzfeed, we've all seen Tasty, every social media foodie has wanted to be tasty, and very cool today, they've asked me to cook a recipe from their book, and I was like, hell yeah! Hell yeah! If you haven't seen it, I mean, are you living under a rock? Tasty is full of super quick weekday meals and delicious weekend treats, and essentially, as it says on the book, it teaches you how to cook basically anything. I mean, that's very accurate. Literally anything. I mean, they do stuff that you don't even think is a thing, and it's a thing. I had a flick through. I won't give too much away, you need to buy it if you want to see what's in it. But I did see a really cool pancake recipe. Now, pancakes, we've all been doing them the same for a very long time. It's a very simple batter mix. But don't you hate it when, say it's pancake day, or say it's just a Saturday or Sunday, and you've got all the friends and family round, and someone says, should we have pancakes? And you think, yes, that's a great idea, but I don't want to be stuck in this kitchen for the next hour making a stack of paper-thin pancakes. It's a pain in the ass. I can't say ass, can I? It's a pain in the... Tasty have come up with a genius sheet pancake recipe. So you cook it in one big giant sheet tray and it serves everyone, and you don't have to worry about being stuck at the stove essentially. So this one is a blueberry peach sheet pancake in the book, but they have specified that you can actually switch out the fruit for any of your favourite things. You could even go chocolate chips in this. You could go bananas. Today we're going to go for blueberries, and I've actually gone for some nectarines as well. Should we crack on? Preheat the oven to 220 degrees centigrade, and you're going to line a tin with a ridged side. That's really important. Whisk together the pancake mix. Okay, so I've just got pre-bought pancake mix, dead easy. It's essentially like a combination of flours, and we're going to dump that into a mixing bowl. We've got 480 grams or 4 cups of pancake mix, 475 mils of whole milk, which is equivalent to 2 cups of whole milk. This is great actually. So if you want to know cups and stuff, it's all down here. Easy peasy. This is going to go into here as well. And 4 medium free range eggs. Okay. And we're going to give these a little whisk up first as well. And then we're going to combine this with our pancake batter and milk. So you got yourself a lovely smooth batter mix here. This batter mix is now going to be poured into our lined tray. Next we're going to add in our fruit. 125 grams of fresh blueberries. I'm just going to drop them in. And then we're going to slice up our nectarine as well. And then again, we're just going to scatter these. And then this is going to go into our oven for 15 minutes at 220 degrees. Good luck, little sheet pancake. Okay, so my batter mix has a life of its own, but I think it's okay. Oh my God. It's like the Alps. I think it's gonna calm down. It's like erupted, but with goodness and joy. Oh my God, it looks so good. Transfer the baking sheet to a wire rack and let the pancake cool slightly. Oh! Meanwhile, why don't you click that link in the description box to get a copy of this book? Because actually, thinking about it, what a great Christmas present. I'd be well chuffed. I would be well chuffed if someone, well, I was when I found it in my P.O. box. Thanks, Scott. Should we get serving? Yes! Bit of maple syrup because it's pancakes. And now for the taste test. It's like the best pancakes. So it's got that gorgeous thickness to it, like an American pancake. It's got a fluffy lightness to it because of the egg, that richness coming through from the fruit, that gorgeous crust sitting on top of that doughy pancake. Oh, this is so easy. It wouldn't even be a special occasion. You can just whip this up for breakfast, even as a dessert, and impress everyone. I'm gonna go and check out a few more of these recipes. Guys, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you grab yourself your own tasty ultimate cookbook. And I wanna hear your flavor combinations, so get them in the comments box below. What would you put in your sheet pancake? Oh my God, so good. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, that's a good one.